Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I wanted to share a scrap with me layout. This is going to be a 12 by 12 and I am using the Simple Stories My Vintage Valentine, or I think it's Vintage My Valentine or something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna be documenting this adorable picture of my son, and although I'm a little bit late, this was done a few days after Valentine's Day. And like I said, the collection is inspired by Valentine's Day. And this to me, he's my firstborn child, my firstborn can't do nothing wrong son. And so I wanted to document almost like, you know, like you discover as a mom, like the love with your first child. And so I kind of wanted to document that. If I've told you guys this before, but maybe you guys don't remember or you're new, if you've been here a week, a month, a day, welcome. I usually end up telling you guys a bunch of stories and I never actually tell you what I'm working on or what I'm doing on the videos. So for this, like I've told you guys before, but you probably don't know if you're new, my son is really bad at bringing me school pictures. I think I was pretty good at documenting all of the elementary pictures, and then once he got to middle school, is he always lost the paper. They gave you the code for picture day, and months passed. Sometimes even the year was over and we didn't find the paper with the code to purchase the pictures until the following year when we were cleaning out his backpack. He is really bad about that. I didn't even get the picture for high school neither. Now that I'm thinking about it, did you get it? No, my husband's like no, shaking shaking his head cuz he doesn't remember getting it either. So, for this year, we haven't heard anything about the high school picture, which I need to actually follow up on. So anyway, so I was really surprised when out of nowhere he shows up with this picture that I didn't even pay for, so I'm assuming it was free. This was in ROTC picture, Air Force, because that's what's available at our local high school. And so, freaking shocked that he brought me the actual printout. I was like,
Garage door.
there's a ghost in the house. No, I just felt the wind. You guys just heard my alarm because literally I'm sitting here in the kitchen doing the voiceover and a burst of wind just popped the garage door open. Either that or I have a ghost in the house. But anyways, I'm going all over the place on this video. I'm so sorry, you guys. What have I been doing? Because I haven't been paying attention to the video. Okay, so it looks like I'm doing my usual 12 by 12 layup, which is always layers, you guys. I love freaking layers because layers build the base of what the layout is going to be. So I trimmed a few papers from the same collection and I basically made a large one, a medium, and a small one. And I added a little bit of what looks like a doily for decoration. And that's my handsome boy, but you guys know that I'm biased towards my own kids. So, like I said, he's my firstborn, can't do nothing wrong son. And I'm going to pop this little cutout in some foam adhesive so that it creates the dimension we're looking for. And for the rest of the video, I'm just going to finish up decorating with pieces, and like I said, you guys are eventually gonna see I kind of wanted to document, and you'll see me writing a little message next to his picture. I'm just basically documenting that I really didn't discover a mother's love until I had him, basically. That's that's what's the main picture. This kind of love for this inspiration. Like a mother's love, we should call that. So, anyways, I am gonna leave you guys here because I'm gonna change my mind 10,000 times before I set on the decorative pieces. And there's nothing else to it, you guys. I just thought this collection was super adorable, by the way. I ended up hoarding a couple pages that I plan to keep um, for a while. I hoard a lot of paper. I don't know. I just love pretty paper. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. If you guys have any questions, you know the typical thing. If I use a tool that you haven't seen, or I use something that you guys want to know what it is or where I got it from, just leaving me a message on the comment section. I do check them when I get a chance, and I do try to reply to all of them. My channel is still relatively small, so I get the comments and I do see them, and I try to reply to you guys as soon as I can. So, anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys with a bit of music. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good one. Bye. I forgot one thing, you guys. Sorry. I just wanted to say thank you, Suzanne. Some of the embellishments that you guys are going to see towards the end were gifted to me from Susan on our Valentine's craft swap. So thank you, girl. See you guys later.